Hi all, my name is Chris Melke. I'm an AI enthusiast, and today we're going to look at VDraw AI. If you've ever had to make an infographic, you know the pain that you go through to make these, and everybody else seems to do it so effortlessly, but this tool will actually help you out a lot to do that. And so this is a free tool. Actually, it's in beta, and I have no idea how many credits you get or any of that sort of thing. It just seems to be fabulous. We're just looking through some of the things. This is their website, and we can go right into pricing. So pricing, it says here, is the starter kit is free. You can get access to the tools, infographics, limited AI credits. And then Pro, which is free during beta, you can download with no watermark, have more AI credits, get PNG and PowerPoint export, AI image generation, and then they have a business plan. So the thing is with Pro, I've never run into any problems with doing this. And it says it's free now. They won't lock your data behind a paywall, and it's a free for our longtime customers. So let's go in and check out what's available in VDraw AI. So when you load up this, you'll see that you'll get in a create screen, and you can paste in a YouTube URL, you can paste in long text, which is this content you can drop in, or you can just pick a topic and go in. For AI designer, there's an infographic generator that's here. So you can go in and basically generate a simple infographic based on these examples. And let's just walk our way down through these. There's a flowchart generator. So you can look in here how to read a book efficiently. You can actually type in what you want it to do, and then it will generate a flowchart, which is pretty cool. And then there's a cheat sheet maker. These are very abbreviated things that you can generate from long text, is that it will input out just a very, very small, like a 1 to 4 bullet point actually slide in that infographic in that. You can do AI charts, such as a radar chart. If you don't know what that looks like, you'll probably know it when it pops up. So here's a product comparison radar chart. There's various products there here. You can do that. This is all generated from AI. So whatever you type in here, this is going to be generated here just by AI. There's a scatter plot chart. Let's take a look here. So you can do this again, generated with AI. A bot. This is not an Excel or any of that sort of stuff that you've usually done in the past. This is all done with AI through this tool. So again, this is a market share chart, a line chart. Everybody knows what that looks like. And then also it has in here summarizers. So you can look over here that you can summarize YouTube videos, summarize a book, summarize a PDF, summarize text. All of these come in handy when you're dealing with large amounts of data and you need to have them summarized. So for example, we can do this here is that I'm going to input a PDF. So I'm going to choose a file, and I'm just going to go out here. And so there's a document called N8N Starter Kit that's here. So I'm going to open up this file. It's going to summarize it for me, and I'm just going to let you see. So this document that's here, you'll notice is that it's a very big document that goes through multiple steps that are here. So when I look at this in VDraw, when I open up this large document, what it does is it goes through and breaks it down to very simple steps. Why automate, how it works, benefits of automation, examples of automation. So it generates this nice infographic. And also I can generate in different templates. So that's available here for any user to have. So you can do this in various other steps. So say you don't like the look of this one, you want to put it in something like this, it'll automatically go in and do that and say, here's a workflow automation, this is the PDF, and that's what's transcribed. The other thing I have available is long text. So in my demo folder, I'm going to copy, I have an article that's like a very long text from an article I wrote on AI agents. I'm going to paste text here. So you'll see that it's an AI agent text here. It goes through the article. This is on Substack, and I'm just going to input it as a long text. I'm going to hit next step. And what it's going to ask me is that where do you want me to, what kind of infographic would you like for this? So I'm going to put it in something like this. This is a pretty nice pre-made template. I've selected this, and then it's going to go ahead and put this in as an infographic. Okay, so what I did was when I imported that text, what happened is that it went in and generated this slideshow, this infographic for me for a slide. So again, it went through and isolated key parts of my document and then generated this, and you can edit this text as you need. So that, so say like here, what are AI agents? I can come in here and say, I don't, this thing is falling out of here, maybe I just take out this little bit here, and put, I can put that back in as needed, and then also I can say, maybe there's something here that I can take out to make this fit in here. So, this is all editable, and then you can download it and share it to various people, save it as, this is a new function, I guess, is save. So you can go in and do that. But at least now you have something that you can generate automatically, an infographic for anybody who wants to make one. So these are nice to put on Twitter. You can share it, if you have a Twitter account or something like that. You can also share on Facebook, on Reddit, on LinkedIn. And so it gives you a link to copy here. And so you can do that and get that out there, or you can actually download this. So the nice thing is that this is already done. It's a prepackaged thing, but it's a very nice compact tool. And I think that if you're looking to do infographics, then VDraw is definitely one of the things you should take a VDraw. If you're looking to do infographics, then VDraw is definitely one of those things you want to take an advantage of and take a look. And right now it's free because it's in beta. So definitely check it out. And if you'd like to see more items like this, please like, subscribe, and let me know below. Hopefully this helps you out with trying to try some new tools and see some new things that you may not have seen before in the AI and automation space. Thanks.